And we're going to close out. I'm trying not to keep you guys for long. We're about to be at 1 hour and 6 minutes. Okay, so there was a young lady that said she wanted to do a testimonial, and her name, gosh, oh, I'm so bad with names. Oh, what is her name? It's like right there, but I can't think of it. Okay, we're gonna move on. It's gonna come to me. Monica, hit the unmute button, Monica.
Oh, here I am. That was some fire you threw down, Amanda. I'm saying you've got. Guys. I'm over 4 months in. Okay, I'm sitting here with freaking tears in my eyes. You want to? Are you ready to cry? No? Yeah?
Oh, no, not today. Not today, Monica.
No, you're going to make fun today. Guys, if you have been lost and distraught and feeling like no matter what you do, you're spinning your wheels and you can't make $50. It's where I was 4.5 months ago. In that time, I remember 2 days in, and simply by watching the first couple of training videos that Amanda gave me, I applied exactly what she told me. I didn't overthink it. I just applied exactly what she told me, and I had somebody ask me for my link. That same day, Amanda sent me my first purple banner for $50. And I don't know if she remembers this, but I sent her a voicemail bawling my eyes out because I was like, this little shift made a world of difference. I cry all day, every day. I'm covered in goosebumps. I help celebrate everybody's success. I'm a big part of SSM. I'm all in. And as Amanda just said in her presentation, you can't be in or out. You can't be tippy-toeing in, tippy-toeing out. It's fine to have multiple streams of income, guys, but you need to focus in on one. This one here is going to give you the strategies and structure you need, regardless of what you decide to build in the future. So when you stay focused, nothing but amazingness happens. I'm at 10 grand, you guys. $10,000 in just over 4 months. I was going to have to go get a freaking job at 50 years old in the middle of COVID. What was I going to do? Work at McDonald's? Because that's about all that's out there right now. So Amanda, from the bottom of my heart, you've changed my life. I am so honored and blessed to not just be a part of SSM as following your structure, as you know I do, but I also get to help coach. I get to help inspire, and I'm forever grateful. I'm done.
Thank you, Monica. Like I said before, guys, it's more about just the money. It's also a movement. It's also a movement. When you think your back is against the wall and you can't see the end of the tunnel, you don't know what's going to happen. You have to just step out on a leap of faith. That's all it takes. A leap of faith. So many people lost hope and faith in themselves because they've been in so many programs or they just at a job they don't like. You don't have to be that person. People are coming in 100%, no doubt, are applying themselves and are seeing results that they've never seen before with any opportunity out there. Yes, sometimes we push you out of your comfort zone, but listen, that's what it takes. Too many people are in their comfort zone, and that's why they're not making any money. You have to be willing to do the work. Stay focused, apply yourself. That's all it takes. Like she said, who want to go out and get a job working at McDonald's during COVID, having to do the things that they don't want to do? You have to be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Yes, I push people all the time. I wouldn't be me if I didn't do that. I keep it real. I'm an honest person. So all you have to do is be willing to do the footwork. That's it. Yeah, I'm ugly crying. I'm ugly crying right now. Yep. But I appreciate you, Monica. You know why? And not only just Monica, all of the people out there that are getting payments weekly, bi-weekly. You guys are the ones who push me to keep going and moving forward. If it wasn't for you guys, I don't know, like this is not just a online business for me. This is a passion. This is a passion, guys. I'm extremely passionate about what I do. Extremely. And I just want people to be successful. If it wasn't for my mentor, someone that believed in me, when I didn't believe in myself, what did I think about? And I'm going to be honest right now. I had a problem with my hair. I had a problem with my teeth. I had a problem with just being black, feeling like, because I'm black, will people listen to me? I'm being honest. I'm from the hood. Do I sound professional enough for people to follow me? Sometimes feeling too fat. But somebody believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. That's what it takes. So if you're in an opportunity where you have a person that really cares about you being successful, why not take that opportunity and run with it? Someone that believes in you. Because I tell people this all the time, no matter where you are, no matter where you came from, there's somebody out there looking to connect with you. And it's not just one person. I remember a guy telling me this. He said, Amanda, I went to a conference one year. I met a guy. He joined one opportunity. He said that one man purchased an opportunity with me almost every single year that made me over $10,000, $15,000 every year. Just one person, one man that loved him, believed in him, and was there with him through everything. One person. And you're going to have more than one person that believes you, that trusts you, that love you, that care about you, that want to follow you. That's all it takes. It's not about how much you make. I didn't make nothing when I came out and started my journey. I wasn't making money. I was just being me. That's all I had was just me. Me, my integrity, my loyalty, a story. What am I? A single mom, 2 kids from the hood who made it. A story. That is powerful in itself. We all have a story. That's all you need. People are trying to reinvent the wheel, people are not going to do nothing with me because I haven't made no money. Nobody comes in online, hardly, it's a small percentage that come online and already have made money, an extremely small percentage. Everybody comes from nothing and build it up to something. 6-figure earners didn't come online and was 6-figure earners their first year, their first 6 months, they built it up. So all I'm asking for people to do is to trust the process. It's a process. It's a business. Trust the process. Be committed. Marry the process. and you will see the results. Monica, I'm gonna get you because I told you not to make me cry. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna move on and have one more testimonial, and we're gonna move on. One more. I want to ask, is Maria Powers here? If you can hit the unmute button. Hi Maria, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
I want you to just come out and give people your testimony, because I love what you have to say, and I want people to hear it.
Yes, I was working as a CNA for 15 years. I'm a very consistent person, you know, when it gets to work. And it took me, Amanda, like I think 2 weeks when I made my $50, my first $50. And after that 2 weeks, I quit my job. And I say, you know what, baby, to my husband, I say, I just made my $50. And I say, you know, I'm so grateful. It can be like just $50, but I was so grateful, Amanda, because to make $50 at my job, it took me to take care of the patient, okay, to clean their homes, to do their errands, shopping, to make $50 in 5 hours. So much work. And not only that, I mean, the amount of the stress that I had, because you're dealing with people, you know, that they are in a lot of medication, stuff like that, and you have to deal with it. Okay? And because I like to take care of people. I really care about people. But it was affecting me because, I mean, their condition, you know, and I got attached them, too close to them, that I didn't want to leave them because many of them didn't have family here. So I wanted to stay there, but at the same time, I said, you know what? I really care about people, but my dreams are getting behind. I want to stay home with my family. And you know what, Amanda? I was making almost not even $200 a week because I went part-time because the stress, okay, that was creating on me. And I said, I'm gonna go part-time. And so I started working 23 hours. And still, I said, this is not for me anymore. I want to stay home. I want to stay with my husband. I want to stay with my son because he's at homeschooling now. And when I made my first $50, it was like, wow. I said, at the same time, I was thinking, well, it's just $50. I said, no, hold on a minute, wait a minute. It took me that many work to make $50. That much work. Cleaning, take care of the patient, going out for the errands, the grocery, and all that kind of stuff, you know. And I mean, I love it because I like to help people, like I say, but at the same time, it was a lot of work for me, a lot of stress. And like I just said, it's not just about the money; it's how you make the money, how you make it, what it takes to make that $50. Okay, so what it took me to get to make that $50 is stay home with my family. Okay, in my house, 2 hours of work online. I can do it outside. You know, in my hammock, sitting in my hammock. That's the beauty of the online business. You know how much you make at the beginning is just the way you made that money. And my experience was like yours. I mean, I joined so many different opportunities. I mean, there were so many of them, but no one it helped me to brand myself. No one. They were just sponsors, okay? Just sponsors. And they were supporting you maybe for 3 days, giving you likes, 3 likes, and then they were gone. They were totally gone. So I say, how can I do this? Because this is how I want to work. I want the laptop lifestyle. That's what I want. I mean, I want it so bad, man. oh my God, I want the laptop. I see people on the beach with a computer, you know, with their phone and making money. I said, but how can I do it, please? So that's when I found SSM. And you know what? I have so many reasons why, or excuses, let's say excuses for not joining SSM, because people go sometimes like, I don't have enough money to join a program. I say, guys, I was making $185 per week. $185. My husband is not like, well, maybe her husband has a nice job and make, no, that's not my case either. He's on Social Security and we made it happen. Is how bad do you want it? Where there is a will, there is a way. There is a way. Now, I made what, $4,000 so far? In only 3 months, and money gonna be 4 months the next month. Just 3 months. And I went to Diamond. So with that little bit of money that I used to make from my job, and from my husband's paycheck, the Social Security paycheck, which is not much, we made it happen. But because it was, you know, that feeling that you say, this is the right place to be at. SSN is the right program. And when I started, I said, yeah, that's what I was looking for. That's exactly what I was looking for. And it's that feeling, you know, you say, you know what, quit your job, just go. This is what you was looking for. This is what you need. Stay home with your family. That's how it happened.
Well, thanks so much. I appreciate that. And that's, listen, she took what she had and made it work. $4,000 in I couldn't believe it, 3 months.
Yes. It's gonna be 4 months. The next month, I think the third.
It'll be four months.
4 months, yes.
Well, congratulations to you. And I'm glad to have you with us. I love you, Maria. I love your story. And not only that,
I love the community.
Yes.
That's another thing, Amanda. I didn't have that before, the support for the people. I was totally alone. So the community, that's a big part of the online business. Nobody works alone. No one. You always have somebody behind you, supporting you, mentor, coaches, and the community. You cannot do anything alone. You can't. It's not possible.
Yep. And that always helps. That always helps.
Oh, yes.
Thanks so much, Maria. And
yes,
guys, we still have 400 people on the webinar tonight. 400 people. Okay. So I just want to say, everyone, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Enjoy your weekend. I want everyone to really be inspired. The stories you heard today, and not only that, from our the testimonials out there, they're real. These are real people, and we are definitely a movement. We're going to keep pushing forward. So I want everybody to enjoy their Thanksgiving, stay inspired, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys next week, same time, same place. Have a good night, guys. Love you guys.